blankets whenever I move. Okay. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
So today what I'm gonna be talking about is college, what to bring and what not to bring. I'm gonna focus on freshman year. I did some research and I'm gonna give y'all some information.
Honestly, don't I just look so fabulous right now? I decided to do this last minute and it's torturing me because it is 10:11 right now and I should be asleep, but I'm not, and I'm doing homework. How great is this?
Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna talk about is some stuff that you should not bring to college. First thing that you should not bring to college: blenders, toasters, microwaves, refrigerators. Most of these things that people are bringing are already supplied to them. Okay, the next thing, a lot of clothes. So I am very guilty of having a lot of clothes. Like I have a full closet. This whole dresser right here is full of clothes. I have another dresser sitting right next to me. You don't need all those clothes. Don't bring all your high school t-shirts. This is a fresh start for you. The next thing you shouldn't bring to college is fancy dishes and culture. You don't need a bunch of dishes. You're going to be living off of fast food and wherever you eat at your college. Get the plastic stuff because, I don't know about you, but I don't want to wash dishes while I'm in college. I would say bring 1 cup to, if you like to work out, to put water in, and maybe like a coffee mug. Not really a what not to bring, what to bring. Get with your roommate on what y'all are both bringing, because you don't want to bring more than 1 item. Might be cheaper on you too.
The only reason why I actually like using this light thing is because my eyes look really cool. They're like almost like green, but they're like super blue at the same time. I don't know how to.
Let's get to the fun part about what you're supposed to bring. You're gonna need a comforter or a bedspread, pillow, bed linens, and ask what bed size you have. Clothes hangers, coffee mugs. Bring 1, just bring 1. Poster putty for hanging up decorations. Most schools won't allow you to nail artwork or photos into the wall. Get those little hanger things that, I don't even know what they're called. They're the plastic hangers. Those things work like amazing and I use them all over my room. Power strip. Bring a desk lamp or a bed lamp. Hairdryer, bring a hairdryer. Crates or stocking containers. Some stuff that you need to bring for school. Computer or laptop, you're gonna need this because you're gonna type papers. That's a college thing. Like you don't write anything. Binders and folders, writing utensils, paper, dictionary, thesaurus, a backpack, a calculator, and a day planner. Access to money. Steal your parents' money, guys. They're already paying for your college, you might as well steal some more. Umbrella, keyring, flashlight, camera, batteries, snacks for your room. Alright, so I got to give me some advice on what to bring to college and what not to bring. So here's that section of the video. Almost fell off the chair.
Alright, so here's the things that you should and should not bring to college. One of the first things is to bring a fracket. A fracket is short for a frat jacket. If you're going out and you're cold and you don't want to lose like an important jacket to you, then you bring these worthless, just kind of like throw on jackets that you don't mind losing. Another thing that would be very helpful to bring for your dorm room: power strips. You plug into 1 plug and then you get 10 plugs out of it. It's so much more helpful because then you can have chargers, all this and that, like, kind of obvious, but it's gonna be very helpful for organizing your dorm room. Bring appropriate clothes for the weather. So if you're going up north where I'm from, very thick jackets are needed in the winter time. But you might not need that until you go back home for winter break. Plan it accordingly. If you think it's gonna be too cold for you to wear summer clothes by December, then bring along some winter clothes. And then once you come back for winter break, bring all your winter clothes, because that's what you're gonna be living with the first half of your spring semester. 2 important things for your dorm room: med kit and tools. Tools, helpful. People are gonna need tools on your dorm floor to build things and just to help fix things. And then med kits, just in case people get injured, sickness, all of that. Just bring a first aid med kit. It's helpful. Ooh, another good thing for your dorm room is whiteboards. they're really nice because then you can write up notes to yourself and you can do your work on there and it's fun. Last thing, if you have communal showers, then flip-flops are very helpful. Just rubber flip-flops that are cheap, and just you don't have to worry about getting foot fungus or anything like that from your floor mates. What you should not bring to college are Lettermans. Maybe more high school gear, like don't be wearing less stuff all the time. Like if you want to wear it once in a while to be comfy, or you like the shirt, or you want to show Celeste pride, that's great. But wearing a Letterman might be taking it too far. And people may be like, okay, you're a high school star, but now you're in college, so that doesn't matter, dude. Like, what's wrong with you? If you want to go ahead and wear it, go ahead, and you will get crap for it most likely. Bulky items. Be very conscious about if you want to bring them or not. So like a set of golf clubs. Think about if you're actually going to be golfing enough for it to be worth it to take up space in your dorm room. A tennis racket, that's taking up space. And just other items for activities, a bike and all that, whatever. Unnecessary appliances. So if your dorm room has a microwave, don't bring a microwave. If your common area has a toaster, don't bring a toaster. Some people might need a coffee maker or other small top appliances for their dorm room. Just make sure they're small and they're fitting in your dorm room. That's all I got.